we're ready for spring. Got some new batteries I just made for my goggles. Got backup. This is the one I've been using. It's got the long cord. I can put it in my pocket and plug it into my goggles. Got another one, so I'm all set with that. Got to keep your batteries protected and keep them on the quadcopter as best you can, but if they get ripped off, they're gonna get ripped off. What are you gonna do? Put extra strap. I got other straps with the metal buckles, but this one's got the bottom protector on it. Changed my antennas, put them on the arms. That ought to work real good. I've already ripped it through some trees. No problem. Concrete, pavement, trees. It's been through it all. It's brand new. Yeah, the arms, putting the hot glue on the arms, my glow-in-the-dark hot glue, works real good. Got them on all of them. And yup, there's the Velcro. And oh yeah, gotta keep the camera covered with the, when you put it in the case, put the little bit of tape on there to port, and your card stays nice. And what else? I don't know, man. Have some fun. Badass fun.